Hi there, this is Edward. I would like to take the time to show you how you can solve a potential problem that you may encounter if you ever try to use a PSD file created with Affinity Publisher and import that file into Apple Motion or Final Cut. So I'm going to save this file. I'm going to save it as a PSD export. I'm going to name it test and go into Apple Motion, import. I do not want merge layers. I want all my layers. Say OK. As you can see, nothing. I have all my layers, but there's no information. They're blank. So what's the issue? Well, I'll show you something else here before showing you the solution. If you try to import into Final Cut, I do get the file to come through, but there's a problem. The file has been flattened. There's no layer information here. So I'm gonna just undo and I'm gonna clean slate here, come back to Affinity. And the problem here is on the setup. So your color format might be the wrong one. So I have CMYK here. I'm gonna change it to RGB. Say okay. I'm gonna export another version. This time I'm gonna call it test 2 and go into Apple Motion again, import, and of course all the layers. Okay, and now boom, I have all my layers. If I go into and you see the color shifted, when I change the color format and I bring it into Final Cut, and yes, I have all my layers. I hope this video is helpful, and you're welcome.